Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make iconic logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. You can see on screen, here is my mind idea. It's eye, map, and locator. Eye, it's mean human eye, animal eye, etc. Map, means world, and everyone know world is round, so it's round circle icon. Now the last is locator, that is locating icon that give direction on map. Now friends, it's my mind mapping. You need your mind idea for your creative logo. Start the tutorial. Go to ellipse tool and make perfect circle. Go to star tool and select 3 points, and make triangle shape with it. Change the direction of shape, and put it in the middle of circle. Adjust the shape with round circle. Select both files, go Pathfinder and click Unite. Make a front shape with pen tool. Color it black. Go to transform panel, select reflect, check vertical and copy it. Select both sides and click Join. Select both file and unite. Make both corners round. Go to ellipse tool, make one more circle. Copy the circle and make eye shape with it. Make a round circle. Color icon and put it in the middle of circle. Align, resize and select both files, press -front. Now make a front line with pen tool. Put text in it. I'm using Latte regular font and Myriad Pro font. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.